I went to go and see a private jet, then come along with me to see if I see and get on the private jet. Let's go. This kind of speaks for itself and is artsy, so I'm gonna go away until the end where you'll hear me speak. So
this is Woking. This
thank you.
We have like the displays are literally above our head, which is quite loud.
Yeah, I know, exactly. Oh, I thought it'd be on tap, right? It's a bar.
Yeah, normally it is.
Exactly. Hi, yeah, so I'm sure as you already can tell, there are no clips of me on the plane. Am I in Spain right now? Did I get a private jet? I know there are a lot of questions you guys are asking. Oh, stop asking, I'll answer. No. No, the jets were under maintenance today. Unfortunately, I was really excited. I literally woke up at 5 a.m. which is, I didn't even have time to film. That's how early I woke up. That's how keen I was to get on the jet. Oh, it's such a shame. I wanted that pic. You really know I needed that Instagram picture. Anyways, this just means I'm gonna have to go away, try and go away sooner than expected. So I'm thinking to try and get a jet next week, an empty leg flight. So we'll see, stay tuned, I guess.